Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to check earnings in Quora application. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora app. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app on your device. Once you tap on it, it will end up you to this kind of interface. So here you need to sign in with your Google account, or you can continue with your Facebook. For now, let me continue with Google. Now here select your Gmail ID. Once you select your Gmail ID, it will sign in your Quora account. So it will show you this kind of interface. You just skip it. Here to check earnings in Quora. Now go to the profile icon that is located on top left corner. Now here you can see monetization. Simply tap on it. Now you need to select your country. And then tap on submit button. So it is saying that you don't have any content to monetize yet. So in order to monetize or earn on Quora application, you need to create your space. You need to create your own content so that it will monetize your account and you can earn. So in this way, you can earn from Quora application. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.